Mark Zuckerberg has a secret. And it's not the kind of secret you keep from your competitors, it's the kind of secret that makes the competitors look obsolete before they even launch. For the last decade, we've been told that virtual reality is a niche. We've been told it's for gamers in basements or tech nerds with too much disposable income. But as we sit here in 2026, the landscape has shifted. The Apple Vision Pro tried to steal the spotlight with its $5,000 price tag, but Meta has been quietly cooking something that isn't just a headset. It's a replacement for your phone, your laptop, and your TV. I'm talking about Meta Quest 4. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are currently using a Quest 2 or even the Quest 3, you need to pay very close attention to what I'm about to say. The era of the bulky plastic box on your face is coming to a violent end. The leaks coming out of Meta's reality labs aren't just about better graphics. We are talking about the Pismo project, a code name that represents a dual-tier strategy designed to crush every other player in the market. We are uncovering the 2-nanometer silicon, the OLED revolution, and the neural band technology that will let you control your digital world with nothing but your thoughts. By the end of this video, you will understand why 2026 is the year the metaverse finally becomes unavoidable. Let's dive into the heart of the machine, the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3. For years, the bottleneck of VR has been power. How do you render two 4K screens at 120 Hz without the device melting against your forehead? The answer is the Gen 3 chip. This isn't just a refresh, it's a complete architectural shift. Built on the newest 2nm process, this chip is rumored to provide a 50% jump in GPU performance while using 30% less power. For the first time in history, we are looking at a standalone headset that can rival the graphics of a PlayStation 5. But it's not just about raw power, it's about intelligence. 2026 is the year of Meta AI. Imagine putting on your Quest 4 and it instantly recognizes every object in your room. It knows where your coffee is so you don't knock it over. It knows where your keyboard is and overlays a virtual workspace that looks as real as the physical one. This is the Loma and Pismo High hardware in action. The Quest 4 is being built to be the ultimate spatial computer. Not for $3,500, but for a price that will make Apple's board of directors sweat. And let's talk about the OLED revolution. If you've used a Quest 3, you know the lenses are great, but the LCD screens still struggle with gray blacks. The Quest 4 is rumored to finally adopt Micro-OLED panels. We are talking about infinite contrast. We're talking about colors so vivid that your brain actually struggles to distinguish between the virtual world and the real world. When you play a horror game, the darkness will be true darkness. When you watch a movie, it will be like sitting in a multi-million-dollar IMAX theater. But the real kill shot from Meta isn't the screen, it's the weight. The biggest complaint about VR has always been comfort. It's too heavy. It hurts your neck. It gives you VR face. The 2026 Quest 4 is rumored to be the thinnest headset ever made, thanks to a compute puck design. By moving the battery and the heavy processing out of the headset and into a small puck you clip to your pocket or wear on a band, the weight on your face drops by almost 40%. This is the Quest Air philosophy. A headset that feels like a pair of heavy ski goggles rather than a brick. Now, let's talk about the feature that will change everything. The neural band. Zuckerberg has been teasing this for years, and 2026 is the year it goes mainstream. Imagine a wristband that reads the electrical signals from your brain to your fingers. You don't even have to move your hand. You just think about clicking a button, and the Quest 4 registers it. This isn't sci-fi. This is EMG technology. It solves the biggest problem in VR. How do we interact with the world without clunky plastic controllers? With the Quest 4, the world is your interface. But wait, what about the games? In the USA, gaming is a $100 billion industry, and Meta is ready to claim its share. The Quest 4 is being positioned as the console killer. We are hearing reports of major AAA developers, the ones who usually